Hello, everyone. So, I'm sure as you are all aware, price of Bitcoin going down, not looking good. A lot of fear, uncertainty, and doubt being spread out in the market here. So I guess you just have to ask yourself, is it actually justified? And if you want to read any further into this, no, it is not justified. So now is a great buying opportunity, actually. So, let's see, how, I think this all kind of started with Janet Yellen. So I guess we'll start with there. She says that curtailing cryptocurrencies such as Bitcoin is a good thing as they are mainly used for illegal financing. Oh my God. Keyword mainly, because mainly does not describe the transactions with which undertaken Bitcoin. Most of the transactions, which you might call illicit, happen within the US dollar. So I don't know where she's getting this information. There's more than enough data out there to suggest that regular transactions and honest transactions are being taken within the Bitcoin network. So she is trying to spread fear, uncertainty, and doubt, aka FUD, into the market. So off the first bat, you can just say, not going to listen to Janet Yellen, doesn't know what she's talking about, or she's trying to manipulate the price further. So there's that. Then we have the Guggenheim CIO says that Bitcoin may have topped out for now and it could retrace all the way back to $20,000. Oh no. And it says for the next year or so. Hey, he could be right. It could trace down to $20,000. That's absolutely a possibility. However, I have certain disagreements with this. I don't think it's going to go that low. And if it does, I don't think it's going to stay that low because I think, perhaps Bitcoin needs to actually test 20,000 as a hard support line. But I just don't see that happening. It could. Don't get me wrong. It could actually happen. But I don't see Bitcoin stalling out for the next year before it breaks above 40,000 again. Okay. I was on this guy's page. I forget his name, but I was on the same page as this guy until I saw this. He's obviously trying to spread fear, uncertainty, and doubt, some FUD into the market. And as the price is going down, people are starting to wonder, should I actually have my money in Bitcoin? But we all know that the people with the most Bitcoin are accumulating more as the price decreases, fluctuates, goes up, goes down, what have you. So I kind of see this as him just shaking the markets as much as he can, trying to spread out some fear, uncertainty, and doubt, and to try and get the price to go lower so that he can buy more at a cheaper price without it skyrocketing too fast, too quickly. That's just my 2 cents on this. And then we also have this here, the double spend issue, where people think that a double spend flaw may have occurred on the, BitMEX exchange. But ultimately, a double spend event did not actually occur, according to the CTO of Bitfinex. So all you have to do is ask yourself, okay, so the price went down because of, mainly I think these three topics here. Is it warranted? No, it's not. These people are just, you can see it now. You can just see how the desperation that they're trying to get and trying to spread, just to try and get people to sell their Bitcoin. They're scooping it up as they say this crap. So double spend did not occur. Bitcoin stalling out for the next year. Don't think it's going to happen. Janet Yellen saying that illicit activities are happening on the Bitcoin network, which I think less than 1% of all transactions are actually for illicit activities. But Oh my God, the U.S. dollar, when we have actual evidence of banks like J.P. Morgan smuggling cocaine into different countries, oh, that doesn't count. Like, we're just gonna gloss over that. Like, okay, all right. So just kind of want y'all to know that the price is gonna go down. Who knows? But like, it's ultimately gonna go back up, and I don't think that any of this fear, uncertainty, and doubt is warranted. So you know, take your buying opportunities where you get them. We're still on an uptrend for the year. What we ended the last year at 28,000, we're still at like 30, 31,000. So, I mean, you could say that we're still up, I think, roughly 10%. Yeah, I think, which is ironically the amount that the next stimulus package will increase the M2 money supply is. So it's a $1.9 trillion package, and the current M2 money supply is like 19 point something $1 trillion. So they're increasing inflation by 10% here within the first month or two. So Bitcoin still beating that even at the lower prices that we're seeing right now. So I would just, for me, staying in Bitcoin. Not a financial advisor, do what you want, but that's just how I see things. So I hope y'all found this interesting. If you could, leave a like, subscribe, share it with your friends or something like that. Appreciate it. See y'all in the next one.